Hi, today I will be talking about Introduction to Taste. So taste, in the sense of taste, is a part of our gustatory system. And in humans, the way that we taste is through papillae. The papillae are on the tongue, and there's three different types of papillae. There are the circumventae, or circumvolente. Those are at the back of the tongue. They're bigger, and then they have taste buds all along the sides of the papillae. The second one we have is on the side, located on the sides of the tongues, and those are foliates. And then the last type is the one that is the most visible to us when we look at our tongues. They're the ones that cover the entire front of our tongue, and they're the ones that, like, when you burn your tongue, you notice those ones are rising to form little bumps. Those are called the fungiforms. The foliates, like the circumvolente, have the taste buds on the side, versus the fungiform, which just has the one taste bud on top. So the question then becomes, like, what are these taste buds that we see, and how is that helping us to taste? The way that actually works is the taste bud is acting like a taste pore, in the sense that it allows ions to come in, and those ions then interact with the tasting cells to propagate an action potential to our nerves. So the way that our taste buds work are that, in the sense that they just allow the flow of ions. So taste buds and taste pores are essentially ion channels. And using these ion channels, we can have many different types of tastes be received. They're received through different ions entering these taste buds. So the five senses that we have are bitter, salty, sweet, umami, and sour. Now, bitter and sour are both protectionist mechanisms, and when our body tastes those, the reason we react to them the way that we do is because our body is evolutionary directed to believe that those are dangerous for us, so we don't want to ingest those. The middle three, less so, because those ones are not marked as dangerous for our bodies. And the taste buds and the taste pores and work in such a way that even though we have different types of papilla distributed along our tongue, our sense of taste is not regionalized in that way. So we do not taste salty in one area, sour in another area, bitter in a different area. We can taste all of these at any point on our tongue. It just elicits a different reaction from the taste cells within that taste bud complex. So, well, thank you for watching. And this was the introduction to the gustatory system. And on the next video, we'll talk a little bit more about the gustatory system and our sense of taste.